Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. And we actually haven't recorded a What Sold video the past couple days. Just kind of been busy and just couldn't get around to it, but we're going to turn it over to Kathy and show you guys what sold for us over the weekend.
Yeah, so on the couple days that we didn't get a video, I think there was only 2 viewer sales at least that left messages or that I recognized the name. So Lisa purchased a game from us on Poshmark, and Kendra purchased some mini boating shorts on Mercari. So you guys, thank you so much. You've purchased from us many times, and I'm very grateful. So
thank you guys so much for the support. We appreciate it from both of you.
And then weekend sales. Oh, we got some Crocs. I think this was my last pair of the Marshalls Retail Arbitrage. I had a whole bunch of these. I had $9 into each since that was the last one. I was trying to sell them close to $30, but I just wanted to get the last one gone, so I sold this one for $25.88 free ship. Shipping was $4.38, and again $9 into them, so probably just under doubling my money there. That one's too far away, and that one too. All right, AJ. So I sold these 3-pack of the Catherine's Intimates underwear that I got at the bins. They are all new at tag. So yeah, I have $1.31 into the 3 pairs. Sold them for $24 plus shipping on eBay. So that was really good. All right, and then this was a bundle sale. Donut shirt. So this is the brand McLaughlin Rd. This is a shirt I bought for myself off Posh. It just ended up not fitting, so I relisted it. Have about $10 into that. And then this is a boys Hurley hoodie. I have $3.99 into this, so about $14 into both. Someone offered me $35 for the bundle on Poshmark, so I was happy to accept because the shirt that I bought for myself, I'm still making profit, so I'm happy. All right, and then Reese, I'm gonna step on you, man. All right, so these little Nightmare Before Christmas shoes, these only sold for $16 plus ship. That was an offer I accepted. I do normally get more for Disney Vans, but these ones, they're just a little dirty and stuff, so I accepted the 16. I paid $3.99 for them, so it's only about a $9 profit, but that's okay. Right. Looks like everything's on that side of the room. These are some little baby Under Armour shoes. I've had these actually for quite a while. They took forever to sell. I recently dropped the price to $24.95 free ship, and they sold. I have $5.99 into the shoes, and $3.58 is how much shipping cost on those. Right. BN. So this little Janie and Jack romper, floral romper on Mercari. Someone offered me $18 plus they paid shipping. I have $1.99 into that, so I was happy to accept. I don't buy everything Janie and Jack, but that was really cute. Floral rompers, dresses from Janie and Jack do really well for me. AW. These are some Sanita clogs, and I couldn't remember if I put these as like giraffe or snake or what, but yeah, they were in really good shape. They sat for a couple months, but sold for $45 free shipping. I think it was free shipping. You'll see on the screen, I guess. But yeah, I paid $10.99 for them originally, and then $7.76 is what they're gonna cost to ship out. Those do thankfully fit in the padded flat rate, because otherwise they're heavy and would have cost like $13 to ship in a box. All right, AQ. Another pair of these Echo sandals. These have been selling great for us. I have $9.99 into this pair. Sold them for $45.45 plus shipping. All right. AA. is a pair of Wrangler jeans. These have been sitting a while. I recently dropped the price to free shipping. So $22.70 free ship. I have $3.50 into the jeans, and the shipping's gonna cost $7.76. So not huge money, but I'll take it. Alright, BD. I didn't write very good notes on my papers today, so I'm trying to read what I wrote. Yeah, this is a bundle, BD and BF. Right, so this one was on Kitizen. This is a Tea Collection shirt, and this is a Art and Eden shirt. These were both my sons, so I think I paid about $15 each originally, and then I sold them for $30 free ship, so losing out on shipping and fees, but making back probably close to $20 on those. Alright, so the hat. This is the Carhartt one. This is the one that I thought would actually sell quickest out of all the hats, but it didn't. So this one sold for 10 plus ship. That was an offer I accepted. I have $1.31 into it from the bin, so still pretty good. I consider 1 into 10 pretty good, but I know many people do not. All right, 8A. So this is the brand Nellie Madison. This is one of the dresses I got at the JBF sale, so $11 into it. Sold it for $35 free shipping. Shipping is $4.15. Shoe shelf. Oh, that's this shoe shelf actually. These are the shoes I photographed a couple days ago and have been working through. So these sold right away. Floral Crocs. I have $5.99 into them. Sold them for $27 plus shipping. I don't know if this is an O or a D that I wrote. Guess it was an O. So this is just a Champion shirt, but it's a collaboration with the brand Todd Snyder. I believe it was. You'll see it on the screen, my title, but I don't remember where I saw that this collaboration was selling for so much. Like, normally I would have just passed this shirt up, but because I had recently saw someone sell something by the brand, maybe Common Tags, Courtney, so I'm not positive, but I feel like it was somebody. And yeah, so I saw that, I looked it up, and comps were 30 to 40 bucks just for a t-shirt, and I grabbed it. So paid $3.99, sold it for $34.50. Paid $3.99, sold it for $34.50 free shipping, and shipping's only $3.58. So yeah, if you ever find anything by that brand, it's probably worth at least looking up. I know they have like some peanuts, like Charlie Brown peanuts stuff by that, and that one goes for like a lot. So yeah. Right, this was a kind of cool sale. So I picked these diapers up on a whim the other day. I guess they're not, I don't know. I'm not a cloth diaper mama, so I'm not exactly sure. I think they're just the inserts.
Oh, it's like
so.
Spanish.
I just know that anything cloth diaper related is expensive, so I scanned the barcode and they were going for a good amount, so I grabbed them. I paid $2.99 per pack. The way we ended up listing them was 2 packs as one and 1 pack as one, mostly because to put them all 3 in a box, the box would have to be very large, and the dimensions would go over like any of the standard dimensions of any of the selling platforms. So that's how we split them up, but they did end up selling all to the same person just on Mercari. So she did have to pay shipping twice, but yeah, it would have, I mean, all right, so I'll tell you. So the 1 pack sold for $23 plus shipping of $7.99, and then the 2 pack sold for $46 plus $9.99 shipping. So she paid about $18 in shipping, which honestly, if I had to ship those on eBay, probably would have been over $20 to ship them all. So I was happy with the offer she sent, and just that Mercari makes it easy to ship this kind of stuff out. So yeah, so I turned $9 into essentially 46, 56, 66, like 60 bucks. So pretty awesome. But yeah, look up anything cloth diaper related. Even like the outer, I don't know what they're called, shells or something. I don't like selling the used ones, just my personal preference, but even those can sell well. But if I ever came across new shells or anything like that, I would definitely look them up. All right, so DC.
Reese thought you might have said his name instead of DC. You come up running and hear your name? We're gonna call you DC now?
All right. Actually, sold 2 things out of this box. So the first was these little Merrell baby, like hiking boots. Sold for 20 plus ship on Facebook. I have $4.99 into those. I think I only had 2 Facebook sales this weekend, so it's just random. Let me find this one while we're here. Yeah, so these are the brand Reef. And for some reason, this specific sandal was selling for a good amount. I don't think Reef retails for that much to begin with, but sold these in 1 day of listing for 24 plus shipping. I only had $1.99 into them, so pretty good. All right, BU. Is that in the back? These are some girls' saltwater sandals. These I have $4.99 into. They sold pretty much within 1 day for 25 plus ship. Someone did send me an offer on Mercari for these. I think it was a good offer. I was gonna accept it. I think it was like $22. But I just was like, there's a lot of likers on it. I was gonna just wait like 15 minutes, and within a minute or two, somebody bought them full price. So yeah, that was cool. All right, I have a couple things hanging, which I don't know if we're gonna be able to all fit in here, because it gets to be a mess pretty much every other day.
I'll hold it.
All right. I'll pick up a little bit.
Oh, jeez. Vacuum almost killed me.
All right, so first up is Banana Republic wool coat. Came from the bin, so we have a $1.54 into it, average cost of goods. Sold it for $36.35 plus shipping. When I listed this, I thought it was women's. Well, before I listed it, I thought it was women's, but then we kind of figured out it was men's. So I don't know if that helped it sell. I feel like if it was women's, it would have been sitting longer. All right, and then yeah, this other one, I just thought this was cool. It doesn't seem like it's that expensive to begin with, game hide. Seems like you can buy it at Walmart and stuff like that, but it was a men's XXL, and it looks like it's new without tag to me, so paid $6.99, sold it for $27.25 plus shipping, and it sold pretty much right away, so that was nice. All right, just a few more here. CI. Another pair of these Hurley dragon or tiger something board shorts. I think I have a couple more pairs in different sizes left, but this one sold for $25 plus shipping on Facebook, and I have $6 into the chunks. These are just some men's Nike shorts. I have $3.99 into them. Sold them for $26 plus shipping on Mercari. My Nike stuff on Mercari just sells really fast. I mean, Nike in general is a pretty good seller, but I feel like it sells for more on Mercari and just like usually within a day or two. All right, and then DB. So if you're not on Mercari and want to try it, we have some links down below. I think you get $10 if you sign up with our code. And we also get something too. I don't exactly know what they're, I don't know. All these apps have like different amounts that they give out.
It is hard to keep track of them all.
All right, so last sale of the weekend are these Birkenstock. I think these are the Eva. They're just like the rubber plasticky ones. So I have $2.99 into them. Sold them for $27.25 plus shipping. So pretty decent weekend here.
All right, we're gonna get this stuff all packed up, and we'll be right back with you guys. All right, guys, got everything packed up, ready to go. And we had one sale come in.
Yep.
So I'm gonna pull that real quick.
All the way over. So there's some little girl Crocs. These I grabbed when we were at Jellystone. Then when we left Jellystone, we went up to Denver for a little bit, and I found these at the Kid to Kid up there. My average cost of goods, I probably got like 4 or 5 things. Was $5.18 per item. So I have $5.18 into these, and they sold for $23 with discount shipping. So about $10, $11 profit on those. So not too bad.
All right, so that's what sold over the weekend. So we're just gonna go ahead and pack that last one up off camera, and I think we gotta be at the post office in less than 15 minutes. So I gotta cut it here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.